Show you my fried chicken recipe. I have 6 chicken wings. I've cut off the tips. I've washed them and dried them. As you see, the chicken is already seasoned. I like my chicken fried hard. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my fried chicken recipe. I apologize to all my college friends and dear friends who had my mother's fried chicken. It is absolutely phenomenal. It can't be touched. We tried to come down. She came down and we tried to film it, and it just didn't turn out right. I think it has to have her loving hands throughout the whole meal. So I'm going to season it my way and cook it, and it's still good, but it's just not my mother's. Let me show you what I have. I have 6 chicken wings. I've cut off the tips. I've washed them and dried them. And I've got black pepper. I've got some Tony's Creole seasoning, some seasoning salt, some onion powder, some smoked paprika, and some garlic. And what my mother always does, and I still do, I marinate my chicken over 24 hours. So when I get the chicken seasoned, I'm going to put it in a plastic bag, season it 24 hours, and come back tomorrow and fry it for you guys. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jennifer. I don't know how you found me, but I'm glad you're here. I'm known for quick, easy, fast weeknight meals. I guarantee you my fried chicken is good, but one disclaimer, I like it fried hard. And another thing, I only eat the flats. So my husband's going to eat the little drumettes. I do not touch those. So I have my gloves on. I'm going to turn the camera around and get everything set up so we can season this chicken and put it in the fridge. And then I'll come back tomorrow and fry it for you and show you how this all comes together. Thanks for watching, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you guys like quick, fast, easy weeknight meals. You know, I work as a nurse, those that know me, and I rarely have time to cook and spend a lot of time in the kitchen, but I absolutely love and live food. Let me put you on pause. Let's get cooking. As you see, the chicken is already seasoned. I used all the seasonings I showed you, and you see I've got a lot of seasoning on there. You definitely don't want to under-season it. So like I said, I really apologize that you didn't actually get to see me shake the Tony's on there, the black pepper, the onion powder, the garlic powder, see the black pepper, the onion powder. What else did I use? Seasoning salt, all the ingredients I showed you. I am just heartbroken. But I don't have any more chicken to re-season, so I'm going to go ahead and keep this video. But there they are. It's all 6 of them. But I am going to re-season it tomorrow. I'm going to season the flour, so you'll get a chance to see me add the seasoning to the flour. So stay with me, and see you guys later. Okay, so it's been 24 hours. I've got the chicken out, and now I'm going to get the flour mixture ready. I'm going to add a cup of, that's not a cup. I'm going to use a cup of all-purpose flour. Only 6 chicken wings, so I really don't need a whole lot. And then I'm going to mix that with a half a cup of cornstarch. This gives it extra crispiness for the chicken, because you know I went way over. Let me dump some of that out. Told you guys I like my chicken fried hard. That should be close. Won't hurt anything. Now I'm going to season this with the same seasonings that you missed that I did not put on camera because the camera died. I'm going to use seasoning salt, black pepper, some more Tony's, and some garlic powder. I left out the onion powder because I was kind of heavy on the onion powder. You guys didn't see that, I apologize. And then some black pepper. Quite a bit. Now my chicken has been at room temperature for about 30 minutes. Because you don't want to fry, put ice cold food into hot grease, because it'll drop the temperature, and plus it doesn't cook as nicely. So I'm going to take each wing and I'm going to bread them one at a time instead of putting them all in a bag and shaking them up. Get them nice and coated. Got my oil heating to 325 degrees. You can go as high as 350. I like, my mother says to do it a little lower, because you know she likes her chicken cooked at a lower temperature. But it's okay if you want to cook it at high temperature, like 375, 350. But I don't want it to cook that fast. And like I said, normally if I bought these wings, I would not have bought them this large. I like my wings pretty small, and I told you guys I only eat the flat. I don't eat the drumette. Just getting these all floured. And I'm going to let these rest for about 20 minutes before I actually fry them. Give the flour a chance to set. That one doesn't look like it got covered very nicely. See that piece right there? So I'm going to put it back in. Sure it's really coated. Last two. Yeah, you definitely just be careful with the salt. But any other seasonings that you use on your chicken, you can always be very generous, because you don't want the food too salty. And then me being a nurse, this is probably not the healthiest frying chicken, but who doesn't love fried chicken? This is the last one. Right in there like that. Next. Okay, so you see me flour the chicken and get that one good enough. It's a process, no rush, no worries. That one could use some more flour. That's why I do one at a time, as opposed to some people dump them all in the bag. And in the 70s, people did a brown paper bag and shook it up. That way to really ensure you got everything coated. So I've got all chicken wings coated with the flour. So I'm gonna let these rest for 30 minutes, turn the camera around while my temperature heats up to 325, and we'll get these wings done. Okay everyone, I'm at 325 degrees. I'm gonna go ahead and start frying chicken. I may do them in a couple batches, haven't decided, there's only 6. And she likes to do them, you can go as high as 350 when you fry chicken, but she likes it at a lower temperature. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna do 4. I'm gonna put 4 of them in, and then go ahead and do the second batch. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Those that know me know I upload 2 videos a week, and I include an inspirational quote and tell a crazy joke at the end. And I appreciate all my subscribers and people who watch. I normally do not fry many things. That's why this fried chicken recipe was highly requested and waited on, because I had to wait for my mother to come and season the chicken. Because plus I don't like, my kitchen's all white, which you see, and I don't like cleaning up a lot of stuff that splatters grease. So I'm gonna let these cook for a little bit, come back and show you guys the correct temperature, well, the color that she likes them to be. So I'm gonna put you on pause, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I don't know if you noticed, I did change gloves, because the other ones were blue, and I wanted to show you the chicken is just about the color that she likes them. She doesn't like them really dark. I like my chicken fried hard. That's just something that I prefer, so fry it to your liking. Some people don't like their chicken fried very hard. And I have enough oil in here so I really don't have to turn them, because they're kind of like deep fried, like I was using a basket. So I'm gonna let these continue to cook, and don't forget I have a great joke for you guys. So I'm gonna come back when these are closer to the color I need them to be, and take these gloves off. Okay everyone, this is about the color my mother likes her wings, so let me show you. She likes them about that color. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking these out, and then put the last 2 in, and then come back and set everything up and tell you guys my joke. And see, she likes them about that color. Just letting them go a couple more minutes. I personally don't like big wings. There's no way I would have, if I was gonna cook them myself, I would have purchased them this big. So there's the color of fried chicken. Okay guys, there you have it from my childhood and college friends who had my mother's fried chicken. They look darker in this lighting, but they're not quite as dark. So when I set up my pictures, they'll look the true color. So let me tell you guys my joke. Telephone rings at 2 a.m. Husband picks up the phone. A raspy voice says, "We have your wife. We want $150,000 or you will never see her again." "Man, my wife is sleeping right here next to me. But don't hang up. We can definitely do business." Isn't that crazy? I thought it was kind of funny when I read it. Well, like I said, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and come back for the next one. God bless, and have a good evening.